Yes, let us talk about the other topic, which is the criteria for the similarity of the triangle, right? So this part we have done.
Assalamualaikum sir.
Walaikum salam, Meera. Walaikum salam. How was your paper today? How was that?
Sir, I did not had any exams. My holidays are going on.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, then okay, utilize these holidays, right? The study leaves and try to cover all the chapters before 31st January. This part completed, right? And now let us start. Okay, so we have which question we should start. With, right, we will first let us do a simple question and then we'll go to the difficult ones, right? So as we already know that there are four similarity criteria, right? And we'll not talk about that again because that part we already know. So we have SAS, SSS, and we have EA, and we have but. Right, so these are the similarity criteria that we have, and we will use this. So first thing that we have to identify in using these criteria is the two triangles that we will take, right? And we have to figure out all the angles and all the corresponding sides, right? So in these cases, the sides are not equal, but they are proportional. In congruency, they were equal, but in similarity, they are proportional. But the angles are equal, right? The angles are equal, and these are the criteria of the similar figures. Similar figures have the sides in equal proportion, and the angles they are equal. The Yeah, depending upon these things, we have to choose what criteria that you guys quickly do this second problem, and then we'll talk about this other issue. So quickly do this second question. Let us start from the easy ones. Right? We have this question which is given. Please find DE. Right? Yes. Please calculate DE and quickly tell me what you guys are getting. Remember, this is not PPT, right? This is not PPT. These are similar triangles. We have to always identify the. Yes, hello, Abir. Assalamu alaikum. Yes. We have to use the similarity of triangles, not the.
Walaikum salam, sir. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Alhamdulillah. How? What about you?
Alhamdulillah.
And yeah, so we have just started, and we are doing this second question. So please do this second question. And yes, guys, why you guys are taking that much of your time? Anyone? What is the answer? Yes. Okay, so should I start with some question and then you guys get the feeling of the question? Did any of you guys did you guys get the answer?
Sir, D is 2.
D is 2. So Shaima is getting 2. Okay, with centimeter, yeah. Unit is very important. Centimeter. And what about all of you guys? What you guys are getting? Yes. What about all of you guys? We have two triangles, right? One is ADE, the other one is ABC. So we have two triangles, the small one and the bigger one. The small one is inside the bigger. Yeah, you have to use the similarity criteria, right? They are parallel lines, corresponding angles are equal,
Sir, 2 centimeter.
centimeter. Here is also getting. Yes, what about rest of you guys?
2 centimeters.
Right. Why did you guys do this much time? Yes, Aman and
Yes,
Shweb.
sir. 2 centimeters.
Shweb is not right. Yes, Aman, what about you? Two. Yeah, so your voice is very faint. Uh, Yeah, all of you guys got to sit. Okay, good. So now, why did you guys say this much? Yes, AD is similar to whatever A, B, C. So we have AD by AB that is equal to DE by BC, right? And that is also equal to AE by BC. But yeah, so then we can only use if we use this one, then we'll get the answer. What do we think is the issue? So the next question is fourth one, right? Have have D is a point on side BC of a triangle ABC such that these angles are equal, then we have this thing. So do we have any two different triangles or all the triangles are there in ABC? Do we have any other triangle, different triangle? We have only one triangle, ABC, right? And D is point. So then inside this triangle, we have another triangle. What would be the diagram? If we are able to make the diagram, then the 50% of the answer is done. Right? So we have this ABC triangle, and then what do we have? On yeah, so this D point is here, such that ADC, right? So this ADC angle, this angle, right? This is equal to BAC. This is equal to this angle, right? Then we have that CA by CD. Where is CA? CA and CD, CD and CB, CB and CA. Obviously, it's different. Okay, so so what would be the triangles that we will use? What would be it? Remember, in criterions of similarity of triangles, we have to always figure out two triangles, right? So remember that in those two triangles, all these sides should be there. So what would be those two triangles? Tell me everyone. What would be those two triangles?
ABC and ADC.
ABC and ADC.
A, B, C, and ADC. So two votes for these two triangles. Yes. What about rest of you guys?
ABC and ADC.
Plus one. And what about all of you guys, Aisha and Amar? What about you guys?
Same.
Same, right? So that's one. And now last vote, Amar. What about you? If we have figured out this, then yeah. What about you, Amar? Should we use these triangles? So does this ADC contains all the sides that is there and ABC? Yes. Remember the first thing that we have to identify the triangles because we are trying to prove the similarity between the triangles. Yes, Amar. Clear. So these would be the two triangles that we choose, right? Why? Because ADC has this CA, right, and this CD. So in ADC we have this CD and CA, and in ABC we have this CA and CD, right? So these sides are there in these two triangles. Okay. So now you guys have to tell me that what would be the criterion or criteria that we will use. So we have chosen these two triangles, right? We have chosen this triangle and we have chosen the bigger. So if we choose these two triangles, right, then what would be the criteria that we would be getting? Let me name these. Let's say this is yeah, right. What would be the criteria that we would be using, guys?
AA similarity rule.
A, right. So B is saying A. Because one answer is there, given, already given, right? And yes, all of you guys, the rest of you guys, is it correct? A,
Yes, sir.
A.
Yes, that is right.
And Amira and Amar, what about you guys?
Yes, sir. Same.
Same, right? So good. So, Amira and Amar. So we will use these two conditions, right? So what is the important thing that this angle is there in ADC and this angle is there in ABC. So this angle C is found. Then we have two angles which are equal in two triangles. Then you have this AA criteria, right? So good, everyone. Now you guys have proven that these two triangles ABC is similar to proven by a criterion, right? I'm not writing everything because you guys are thinking and you guys are telling me how to write, right? Now we have to figure out that what are the corresponding sides. So we have proven that this C, right, C is equal. So the corresponding sides to this C are what? So in the smaller, we have written the bigger triangle in here first. So in triangle ABC, the corresponding side to this angle is this one. So AB, we have this ABC. Oh, we don't have AB. Yeah, whatever. Let us write this. And the other, so in triangle AD, the side which is opposite to this angle is 80. This is 80. Yeah, you guys can tell me that this is not used. Yeah, so what we will not use this part, but we can write this thing. The other side or the other angle which are equal is A. So corresponding to this A angle, this side is B. And then this angle is equal to this angle. So corresponding to this angle, the side is AC. Right, so we have AC and they have written CA, let us write C. And now the last one, what is the side, what is the angle which is remaining B? So opposite to B is CA, and this angle is equal to this angle in the smaller side. So this is equal to C, right? So we will use these two. So this is the answer. Yeah. From CPCT we can, or CPST, right? Right, CA by CD, that is equal to BC by C. This was right, everyone. So always remember. Yes, you guys have any questions? Are you saying something, Aisha? Yeah, your voice is breaking. Is my internet not working properly? Is my voice audible, guys? Is it working properly?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so is it clear, everyone? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Always remember that only the corresponding sides that are proportional, right? So we have to find the equal angle and the corresponding sides to the equal angle, that would be right. Now let us move on ahead, and this next question is a simple one. Simple one, that we can take this part, right? So let us find a difficult question. And you guys on your own, please, because I would be skipping some questions, right? On your own, you guys also practice. And if you, oh, this one, yeah, but the half portion is in there, and the other half, I will mark these things, right? So you guys, I will mark these things. And okay, but what is this marking? Yeah. So in triangle ABC and ABC, ADE, ADE, and ADE and angle P, and okay, how is this ADE is equal to angle P? This is a totally wrong figure, right? I guess, right, guys? So this should be like this. If this is equal, then this should be like this, right, guys? If angle ADE is equal to angle P, so this should be like this one, right, guys? This should be A. Am I correct, everyone?
Yes, sir.
They are saying that ADE is equal to P, right? So ADE, this is nowhere looking like, because we know that this is 90 degree and this is nowhere 90 degrees. This should be the correct. So let us skip that part. This is wrong. So, yeah, that is. So last in board's exam. Oh, this one is looking. So now you guys don't get afraid with these kind of question, right? Always try to figure out triangles, and then guys, yeah, prove this SP square. Where is this SP? SP square, that is equal to SB. Where is SB? SB and SC. Okay, yeah. So you guys have to figure out these things, right? Okay, RQ is extended. Where is RQ? Yeah, so RQ is extended to S and BC. Then you guys have to prove that SP square equals to SB and SB and SB. Please do this question, guys. This is the question. You have to please do this, and whenever you guys get the answer, please tell me what they have given. It's important that Yes, you guys tell me what would be, did you guys get the answer or not, right? This one is looking like a tough one, but please do this problem and tell me whether you guys are getting the answer. So we have to prove SB square is equal to SB into ST. So we can get SB in SRB, right? And SC1 is, yeah, how can we relate this SC with, right? Yeah, please do this problem.
Sir, I proved it.
Oh, you have proved it. So Abir has proven this, right?
Proved it.
Oh, Aisha has also done this. Aisha, they have. So yeah, you guys also this, right? And tell me whether you guys are getting the answer.
Sir, I proved.
So Sham has also done this question, right? Good. Shama has also got the answer. Now Amira and Amar, what about you guys?
Also proved it.
Okay, good. Amar, what about you? What about you, Amar? Done.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, good. Everyone has done this problem. So this was this one. What are the two triangles that you guys choose? What were those triangles that you choose? Like
SPR and SBR.
SPR and SR. Right. So in SPR, we have chosen SPR. Right. You have chosen SPR and SBR. SBR. These are two triangles. SPR. How these would be?
Sir, SBR and SPQ. PR.
Yeah, SPR and SPQ. This
Sir,
one.
SBR.
Oh, SBR and SPQ. Oh, sorry. So SBR and SPQ. Now this one is correct, right? So I have chosen SR, right? And the SPQ. And in these two triangles, we have this, right? If we choose these ones, right? So what are the angles? This is common, right? And these are equal angles, right? Then these are similar. Then what we can write? We can write SP. Okay, you guys have already done this. SP by SP. That would be equal to SQ by SR. And that is also equal to QP by PR. Right. But yeah, so SP we have got already, right? We have this SP and this SP is also there. Now we have to somehow remove this SQ, right? SQ and this, yeah, so SQ and this SR. These two things are not here. So SQ and SR. So then what do we do it here? Yes. Yeah, then how do we remove this part, right? We have this SQ and SR and SQ and SR. So then we take these two triangles, right? This one and this one. So in these two triangles, what we have this ones. SQ by SR is already proportional. And then what do we have? Yeah, this is common. And this SP and K. Yeah, so we have a problem. How did you guys do this? Yes, because we have this, we have to reach this SC and this SP again, right? So, and that should be equal to, this, right? Okay, this we have to remove somehow. So this SQ by SR, that should be equal to SP by whatever. So that should be equal to SP. That should be equal to SC by SP. These things that we have. So SQ by QR, SR. SQ by SR, that should be equal to SP, SASC by SP. Right? How can we?
Sir, I did it in a different way.
Yeah, you have done it in a different way. So what? So you have chosen the other triangles.
Sir, I chose SPR and SRB.
SRB. Yeah. So you have chosen SPR and SRB. Okay, then in SPR this is common and
Sir,
yes,
in the question,
yes,
QC will be parallel to RP, so we
yeah.
can write SC by SP is equal to SQ by SR.
Oh, yeah. So these are parallel, right? So you can write SP by PP or SB you are telling. SP
Yes,
by
sir, full SP.
SP, that is SQ by SR. Yeah, in this way we will get the, and so that is from PPT, right? And then you have chosen, yeah, and then you have chosen, and then you have chosen what? SQ by,
SRP, sir, because RP is parallel to QC.
yeah, RP is parallel to QC. Okay, this one, so the small one. So then your SC, oh, good. So SC
By
by
SP.
SP, that is equal to SQ by QR.
By
Yeah,
SR, sir.
SR. Yeah. And then you write, okay, so you have used a BPT, right? You have used a
Yes, sir.
BPT and then these are SQ by SR equals, so you can write SP by SP and SC by SP, and then you will get SP square equals to SP into SP. Okay, so this is from BPT, right? Good. But Aisha, Shaima, Amira, and Amar, did you guys use this BPT or similarity of triangles? What did you guys
Very similar.
similarity? So from similarity, you have got this result. So what was, so you said these triangles, right? The first one, okay, so forget about it. Leave this question. We will think about this later. And from this, we can get easy, right? From similarity, we'll have to check. From similarity, we'll have to check that, right? This from BPT we can. Okay, so again, this question. And again, yeah, now this one is correct. Right, now this one is correct one because in here, they have named this as B, but this was actually C. So now this one is correct one. The B is here and C is here. Now this is the correct. So they have given that ADE is equal to B angle, then we have to find out DE. So please find out this DE, guys. Please find out this and in the meanwhile, I think about it. Please calculate this and tell me what you guys are getting. Right. Please calculate and tell. 8 by 90 about to be similar. Ah, okay. So we have to the times right. We have to similarity criteria is time. Yeah, you guys get the answer to this one. And now I have also, yeah, I also got the answer. Fine. Right. So first we have to, from similarity, first we have to take SCQ and SPR. Triangles we have to take, and then we have to take SPQ and triangle SPR. These are the two triangles that we have to take. From SCQ, we will get what? We get SCQ, we will get SC by SP. That would be equal to SQ by SR. And from this one, we get what? We get SP by SP. That would be equal to SQ. Yes. What is the answer that you guys get for this one? DE, what is the DE that you guys got? that AD triangle are similar to ABC. If AD is this, then find out. So what is the D that you guys are getting? Yes, guys.
So I'm getting 5.6.
5.6. Sham is getting 5.6. What about you guys? But they have told us to put this similarity, right? So we already know AD triangle and we have triangle ABC. So A is common and this is given A D that is equal to angle. From AA this is right. So triangle AD is similar to triangle ABC from A. Yeah, I guess nobody has written that this is 90, this is 90, right? This is not given.
Sorry, when I got 5.6.
Okay, so Abir also got 5 points. Yes, what about all of you guys, rest of you guys? What are you guys getting? Remember, whenever these angles are different, so corresponding sides would be right. So what are the sides that they have given? AD. This one is given, and ED is 7.6. And they have given this one, and they have given BE. They have, and BC. Okay, they are totally different things. Right. So the corresponding sides that would be proportional, that would be what? So this one, that would be DE, right? So this is in front of this is DE, in front of this is BC. And then we have this angle. This angle equal to, so that is AE, and this is equal to this one, so AC. And then what do we have? What is the rest one? So this one. Then we have AD, that is equal to AB. Right? So what are the things that are given? BE they have given. So that can be used here, right? And what they have also given, AD that is given, and BC is given, right? So BC is given, and what is the BE? Where is the BE? Yeah. So what are they have given? They have given BC, right? They have given BC is given, and AD is given. AB is also not given, right? So AB and AB is consisting of AE, right? AE plus AE plus B. So which means that AB is also given. Then we can calculate this D, right? So D will use D by BC, that is AD by A. DE is we don't know. BC we know that is 8.4, right? What about you guys, Aisha, Amira, and Amar? Did you guys get the value? So ADV is given, right, 7.6. And then AB is how much? AB is BE plus A, right? So AE plus BE, that is A. That would be 4 and 9 point. So X would be how much? That would be 7.68.4 divided by 9 point. This part cancels. And what would be the answer? I did the calculator to check that. 7.6 8.8 divided by Did I do any mistake? I'm getting 6.8. Did I do any mistake in there?
Sir,
Sir, I got
AB
denominator is 11.4.
11.4. Yeah. So,
7.4 plus 7
oh,
point.
oh, this is 7.2 plus 4.2. 11 point. Yes, sorry. This is 11.2. This is 11.2. This and this 7.6 divided by, so 5.6 exactly. Good. And what about you guys? Aisha, Amina, and Aman. Where did you guys get stuck?
No answer.
Same answer. Okay. And Amina and Aman, did you guys get the answer?
Yes.
Good. So now let us, right, because we have to write everything, right, and somehow we'll get the final thing, right? So this AC was not given, right? And if they would have asked that find out this DC, then you guys could have also found out that thing, right? So if they wanted to calculate DC, then we would have used these two things, right, guys? Because AC would be AD plus DC. So then we can write AD plus DC and all the other things there. So from these things we can also calculate, right, guys? Right? Yes, this was a good question. Now, 10th one, yeah, 10th one I said, skip that part. Yeah, these are same questions. Our point respectively such that that PQR is an isosceles triangle. In a triangle of PQR, S and T are points on side PQ and PR respectively. Right, so such that, yeah, these things will come to it. So PQR, S and T are points on PQ and PR. So let us make the PQR triangle. So we have this PQR triangle, and where are these 2 points? Points S is on PQ, T on PR. S in PQ, S in, let's see, yes, S in PQ and T in PR. So T in PR, in PR respectively. One. And then what they have also given that PS by SQ, PT by TR they have given PS by SQ, that is equal to PT by TR, right? So if these are equal, then what do we have? So
ST parallel QR.
ST parallel to QR, right? And if ST parallel to QR, so this says that ST parallel to QR. Good. Now, if these are parallel, then we can write that triangle PST, that is similar to triangle PQR, because all these angles are equal, right? This one corresponding angles, this one corresponding angles, and this one is common. From AAA, these are similar. Now, what they are saying that PST, oh, PST, that is equal to PRQ. PST, that is equal to PRQ, right? Then prove that PQR is isosceles triangle. So we know that, right? So we know that, what do we know? It is given that angle PS, right? So angle PST, that is equal to PR, right? So we know that if PST equal to PRQ and PST is also equal to what? PST is also equal to what, guys?
SQR.
SQR. Yeah, so let us write PQR, right? Because we are talking about the bigger triangle, PQR, right? Right, guys? So this one we know, this one we also know. So this angle, PRQ, that would be equal to PQR. So in triangle PQR, this angle equal to this angle, so which means that PT equal or PQ equal to P. So yeah, this was the question, right? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Good. Yes, everyone. Yeah. So clear, everyone. Amina and Amal, what about you guys? I have not written any of these steps. We have just talked verbally. We have verbally got disconnected. Amir got disconnected. Yeah. So clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Good. So now you guys will do this 13th question, right? Then we'll stop. And yeah, the 16th one is very question. And we have very less question in like it's this chapter, right? 16th one is a very good problem. And you guys try this at your home, right? And yeah. But you guys please do this 13th problem. Right, 13th and 14th, they are looking like same. So please do this 13th question. Right, please do this 13th question. So in figure ABC, then isosceles triangle ABC very in which AB equal to BC. It's the point on the side CB produced. AB into EF. Right. So you guys have to put AB into EF. That is equal to 8 into right? So AB into F, that is what, AD into FAD. Guys, tell me whenever you guys have done this problem. Tell me whenever you guys get the answer. You guys have to AB and F, that is equal to AD, right? So how will you prove this question? Yeah, triangles are important. What are the triangles that you have to?
I proved it.
That is, you have proved, right? And yeah, I will give one hint that you guys already know that AB equal to BC. So you have to actually prove AC into EF, that would be equal to AD. So this is what we have proven, right, Shaima?
No, sir.
Huh? Okay. Then what?
But I proved similarity of triangles.
Yeah. So similarity of triangle, right? Similarity of triangles. What are the triangles that you choose? ADB
ABD and EFC.
and EFC. Okay, but you have this angle, these are equal. But what about the other angle?
Sir, since it's an isosceles triangle, angle C is equal to angle B.
We have chosen ADB. Yeah, this way we can also put, yeah, so this way. Yeah, so ADB and EFC. Good, this is very good. Yeah, that is also correct. But yeah, what I was telling in this scenario, that I will talk. Yes, guys, Shama has got the answer in other way. What about you guys? Got the answers? But these are some interesting questions, right, guys? Yes, Aisha, Amina, and Omar, what about you guys? Abir got disconnected.
Yes, approved, sir.
Yeah, you guys already know the Shaima's method, right? And now let me just talk about what I was. So we have, right? Don't look at this question because from this information we have to that AC into EF, that is equal to AD into BC, because we can write AB as AC. So now let us choose these two triangles. This one. So EFC and this one. These two triangles contain whatever the sides that they are, right? So in these two triangles, right? In triangle ADC and in triangle EFC. In triangle ADC and triangle EFC. So what do we have? We have angle D, right? That is equal to angle F, each 90. And also angle C is equal to angle C. That is common. Right. So in front of this ADC, in front of this D angle, we have AC, and this D is equal to this F. So in front of that, we have EC. And this is equal to what they are saying, right? They want us to AD and so AD is in front of what? This G angle, right? AD, and in front of this one is EF, right? Okay, but yeah, so this is yeah. So what we will have? So this is the relation that we will get, and if we write AC into EF, that would be equal to AD, and we already know. So this is what we wanted to AC into EF, AD into AC, right? And we can write in place of AC, we can write AB. This is from our CPS, right? This is equal to AD into AC, because AB equal to AC. So this is another thing. Shaima has used these angles, right? Because ABC is an isosceles triangle, and I have used these two sides. I have used these sides. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Clear. Okay, so then we'll stop at here, and you guys have only how many questions? We have 14, 15, and 16. Right. So then, yeah, 14, 15, 16, and 18. So please do these 4 questions, and these would be your homeworks. In the next class, we'll talk about these questions, right? So please do these questions. Is it okay? Guys, please try these questions. 14th one we have already done, right? 14th one we have already done, so take this one because these are same questions. The 13th one and 14th one, they are same. So we'll skip this part. And yeah, you guys please do this 15th, 16th, and 18th one. The 17th one is, okay, let's take 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th. These 4 questions you guys please do. Right? Is it okay with all of you guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so then in the next class, what is the chapter that we should start?